Good morning, friends. This is the third lecture related with the chapter 4 linear equation in two variable. Again, I am saying to you this chapter again come in 10th standard, same topic with 8 marks. So we have to concentrate on this lesson proper way. So today we are discussing related with the linear equation, but topic is graph. So how to draw the graph or how many types of graphs are there? So if you will see that I am writing it here, there are 6 type of graph. So all 6 type of graph already I am described here. In last lecture we have discussed 2 type of graph. Again we revise it and then go for next 4 type of graph. Now first of all we have to understand the standard form of linear equation in two variable. So standard form is x plus by plus c is equal to 0. We know that linear equation has infinite many solutions. Linear equation in two variable has infinite many solutions. So in last lecture we have also seen that 2 or 3 or 4 solution if equations are given and we have to write 4 solution of it. If you will see that equation is given x plus y is equal to 7 is given and we have to write the 4 or 5 solution, then I have to write like that. We have to write at least 3 solution for graph. 7 we have to write. So 2 plus 5 7, 1 plus 6 7, 3 plus 4 is also 7. So these are all the solutions. By using these solutions we can draw the graph. So to draw the graph at least 3 values required. Maybe possible in 2 values we can also draw the graph. So today we want to discuss 3, 4, 5 and 6 type of graph. But in last lecture we have seen the 2 type of graph. So again we repeat it or we can revise it. Ax plus by plus c. It means a, b and c is given in question. Or I am writing an example. X plus y is equal to 7. If you will see this question, a is also there, b is also there and c is also there. So when a, b and c are there in a question, then this type of graph intersect both axes. Intersect both axes. So if you will draw the graph of it, always intersect both axes. I have to write the graph first of all x dash, y dash. Now graph related, that is x plus y is equal to 7. It will be intersect x axis and y axis. Why it is possible, or when we can say when a, b and c are given. A, b and c are given in question, or we can say graph when question is in standard form x plus by plus c. It means we can do the graph of it. It will be intersect the both axes. Now we want to discuss second, that is ax plus by. So standard form of it, if you will see standard form, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here it is a standard form. Now if I remove the constant c from here, if I remove the constant c from the equation, then equation in form of ax plus by. So constant term is removed. Now when constant term is not in a question, only ax plus by is present, graph is always passed from origin. Graph is passed from origin. Let me see that it is possible. Yes. If we draw the graph of it, one example is also given at here, that is x plus y is equal to 0. So x plus y is equal to 0. If you draw the graph of it, either it passes from, that is first and third quadrant, or it passes from second or fourth quadrant. Graph is passed from the origin. We can say x plus x minus y is equal to 0. X plus y is equal to 0. So total must be x minus y is equal to 0, plus 3 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3. Set that type of graph we can say pass from the origin. So already we have discussed these two type of graph in last lecture. Today we want to discuss other remaining 4 type of graph, that is ax plus c is equal to 0, by plus c is equal to 0, ax is equal to 0 and by is equal to 0. So other 4 type of graph that we want to discuss. So we start from here. Now again I have to write the standard form, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now ax plus c, so which term I have to remove this? If I remove this, now question is in form of ax plus c. Now if you will see the question, when by is not there, parallel to y axis, such type of graph is parallel to y axis. So if I will write a question, 2x minus 4 is equal to 0, therefore 2x is equal to 4, therefore x is equal to 2, means value of x is fixed. Value of x is fixed. Now we have to make a rectangle table and we have to put, wherever there is x, you have to put 2. X value we have to put 2. Y value we have to change, that is 0, minus 2, or we can say plus. Now if we do the graph of it, parallel to y axis. Always remember we have to put the value, that is x dash, y dash. Now 2 comma 0, value of x, y is equal to 0, so I have to write 2 comma 0. 2 comma minus 2, so I have to write 2 comma minus 2, 2 comma plus 2. So if you will see, the graph is parallel to y axis. When parallel to y axis, again I am say to x is equal to 2 or ax plus c type graph. Ax plus c is equal to 0 type graph is always parallel to y axis. One example that we have taken, 2x minus 4 is equal to 0, 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. So fix the value of x. Varied the value of 5. You have to put the value of x fixed and varied. Varied means you can take different value, 0, minus 2 and 2. If you put the value and do the graph, it is always parallel to y axis. It is parallel to y axis. So third type graph we have completed. Now we discuss fourth type graph. So if you will see the fourth type of graph, parallel to x axis. Here if say someone to, it is parallel to y axis but perpendicular to x axis. So maybe possible some MCQs are there, x plus c type of graph and 4 options are there, and if option is not given parallel to y axis, we can also say it is perpendicular to x axis. We can also say. Now we go to the fourth type of graph. Now fourth type of graph, that is by plus c. If you will see the fourth type of graph, that is by plus c, it means ax should be removed. So first of all I am writing the standard form of it. Now by plus c, by plus c. So ax be removed. Now by plus c type. So we can take example, any example you can take. 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. 2y is equal to 6. y is equal to 3. So again we have to draw the table, and which value we have to fix? It is y. Y value we have to fix. X and y. Y value, that is I have to put 3. Value of x I have to change. I am also take 0, 3 or minus. You can take 2. It is also, you can take any value with the x, but value of y is fixed. Now we have to draw the graph of it. If you will put value, that is x dash, y dash. Now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. By plus is parallel to x axis, must be, our graph must be parallel to x axis. 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now question is x equal to 0, y is equal to 3. So I have to put the value on y axis, because on y axis x is always 0. 3, 3. So 3, 3. If you will join this dot dot dot, then minus 3, comma. So if you will see that, again if you will see that, so 3 values that we have to take. Now if I join this, then graph is parallel to x axis. So fourth type of graph that we have discussed, by plus c type of graph parallel to x axis. So again if you will see, it is parallel to x axis, but it is perpendicular to y axis. So if you will see that all ax plus by, first we remove the c. First ax plus by plus c is equal to, second we remove the c, and third we remove bx, in fourth we remove ax. Now two terms we have to remove, that is for fifth and sixth type. Ax is equal to only 0, it means by and c, that is constant term, and y variable is not given. On y axis 6, by is equal to 0, on x axis. Now we have to start this two type. So this is the last lecture. Afterward, this next lecture we discuss the textual based, exercise based graph, and then we complete this lesson. So again, first of all, what I have to write? Standard form, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Which two term I have to remove? These two term I have to remove. Or we can say it is not given in question. If two term, that is by plus c, not given in question, then question is in form of x is equal to 0. So we can take any example. 2x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. So value of x is fixed. Value of x is fixed. Now if we will draw the table, rectangular, x and y. Now value of x is 0, that is fixed. So 0, 0, 0. We can take any value, plus 2, minus 2, and we can take also 0. Or you can take any value. If you are not satisfied, we can take any value. But again, ax is equal to 0 on y axis. Graph is on y axis. So first of all, we have to draw the graph, that is always x dash, y dash. Now what I have to put value? That is 1, 2 and 3. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2 and 3. Minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. On y-axis. On y-axis. So y-axis value of x is always 0. Now first value 0, 2. So x is equal to 0. So we have to put on y-axis. So here I have to write that is 0, 2. Now 0, minus 2. So I have to write it here 0, minus 2. We can also write 0, 0. So here it is. So graph is present on y-axis. And we have to make arrow and write x is equal to 0 type graph. So x is equal to 0 type graph on y-axis. Clear? Say reverse, or we can say inverse or opposite. Sorry, opposite of by is equal to 0. So this is the sixth type of graph. Now that is by plus c. So what I have to write? Again I have to write the standard form of it. Again I have to write the standard form. That is x plus by plus c is equal to 0. What I have to remove now? Constant term and x. It means it is not given in variable. X is not given and constant term is not given. Only by is equal to 0. It means 3x is equal to 0. Sorry, 3y. So y is equal to 0. So in table form, what we have to write? Y must be 0. We know that when value of y is 0, graph goes on x-axis. So if I will take 2, minus 2 and 0. Now if we will do the graph of it, zero, 0. So 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, minus 1, minus. Now we will see 0, 0. So it is at here 2, 0. X value 2, y value 0. So 2, 0. Minus 2, 0. So minus 2, 0. So graph is on x-axis. Graph is on x-axis. So 6 type of graph we have completed. If you go thoroughly or write these topics properly, just you have to write. Again I am saying to you, just write these things. That is important for us. Compulsory, if you write 2 or 3 times it, you will easily remember this type of graph, because it may be asked in government exam or MCQ anywhere. So write it now. This is sufficient for today's lecture. Now in next lecture is the last lecture related with the chapter number 4, because already we have completed everything. In next lecture we have to discuss the textual based question. So when school is reopened, or maybe possible, you have to complete your maths fair book, that is chapter 1, 2, 3, 4 and 15. 5 lessons we have completed, that you have to complete in your fair book anyhow. Thank you.